Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. And to all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the end of this video. Actually, not the end, the second half, because I'm going to be talking about the home run of the day that we called out over at the Discord this morning, as well as the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list, guys. Over at the Discord, we try to go ahead and look for 5 to 10% gainers on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus are home runs. Today, we hit a home run of 30+%. And if that's something that interests you, the link to the Discord is down below in the description. We're already 130 plus members. The slots are filling up pretty quickly, and we look forward to having you join us over at the Discord. The link is down below in the description. So stay tuned on in. And all I ask for right after this chart analysis is 3 to 5 minutes of your time, because 90% of the time I am not invested in these stocks. I make these chart analysis out of gratitude. I may have owned a position at some point, either swing traded it, day traded it, but 90% of the time I do not own these stocks. I make these videos out of gratitude, guys. I do want you guys to be aware of that. I make it for the viewers, for the investors, and every single subscriber and first time viewer coming across the channel. So here we are with SKLZ, Skillz Inc. SKLZ stock has actually been in a downward trend, broke through the 50-day moving average, and has been falling downwards. Now, this is a normal behavior after such a big short squeeze. This had a little bit of momentum buying as well as a short squeeze all put together. Now, this stock will find a nice place to cool off and start to consolidate unless it gets hit really hard by the overall market pulling down or inflation going up. This could end up again back at $12. Now, it doesn't take away the bigger picture of this stock, if I'm honest, because there is potential, but this was a great time to have rode it for the potential that it just gave us in momentum. Now it's pulling back. This is the best time to be watching this stock if you're looking to load up on some more, or you're trying to go long, or trying to understand what's going on. So what's our support? Our support is 1745. We're currently at 1783. 1745 gets broken through. That's the lowest point in this downward direction, and we need to watch it carefully, guys. 1745, super important to see if the bears are dominating or the bulls are trying to reappear. Now, the 50-day moving average is way up here in 1907. That is the true point that the bulls need to break through to reach newer highs and new resistance levels. And the bulls started off the day not too far from it, if I'm quite honest, right? And we can see that big drop that it had today. So this is definitely a very important point for the bulls to turn into a support and break away from to newer highs and new resistance levels. But before getting there, the highest point after this drop and slight momentum upwards and kind of sitting sideways is right here at this point, and that is 1815. 1815 needs to be broken through, turn into a support, so the bulls can pull upwards to newer highs and new resistance levels. But I do want every single investor and viewer to be aware that that is not going to guarantee or show strength that the bulls are guaranteed to break through the 50-day moving average. That is just an indicator to know where the momentum is going, so that we know where the stock is heading, and if they can pull away from it, they're getting one step closer, the bulls, to the 50-day moving average to then cross it. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post, share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to smash the like button to let me know you watch this video, guys. And by doing so, it lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. Stay tuned on in. 3 to 5 more minutes is all I ask of your time. We hit a 30+% gainer today. That was a spectacular home run. And the ticker symbol we're going to discuss that you want to add to your watch list. So the ticker symbol I have to share with you guys is one that you definitely want to add to your watch list moving forward, especially in the market conditions that we're in. We're going to talk about it in just a moment. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run of the day. Over at the Discord, we talk about stocks daily to add to your watch list that we're looking for 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a good day, and 20% plus is a home run, guys. We hit another home run today with METX, METX, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys when I briefed on it. If this is something that interests you, you're more than welcome to join us. The link to the Discord is down below in the description. Tiers are filling up pretty quickly. The slots are filling up, but you're more than welcome to join us, and we look forward to having you join us. We're a community of investors learning to grow together and also maximize profits and minimize losses through the market's volatility, guys. Even though your portfolio was moving downwards, the stock market's moving up and down, this was the opportunity that we strike for, and that's what we look for every single day. So we look forward to having you join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. So here we go. I went ahead and talked about GRTX, but I was a little bit hesitant about it. I even stated what to look for here if it pulled back. But METX, right? METX, it had jumped this morning based off of news on gross billing that had increased a whopping 483%, guys. It was almost like they created their own, earnings report within this just single article, which is very funny. But it was making the catalyst of the stock running up, right? So I stated it was one to watch if volume continues to pick up. Currently sitting at 186 and still pulling back. So we wanted to be aware that the pullback was there. So let's go ahead and see when I mentioned it. I mentioned it at 186 at this area. It fell down a little bit, pulled down even lower, and 177 turned out to be the lowest point of the day, which we saw a little bit after when I mentioned it. Towards the market opening up, it was building up some momentum, pulled back, ran up, pulled back again, and took off, guys. Giving opportunities from 5 to 10% within this area, 10 to 15% in this area, the pullback and run up again, 20 to 30%, and at its peak, 30% plus, guys. So you, as an investor, will have to watch these stocks, right? This is a great way to learn and grow in your investing journey. And put a stop loss. When we talk about these stocks, we don't hold them, we trade them. The stop loss is the cost of trying. If it triggers, you call it a day, move on. If it doesn't, you ride the wave. So if you go ahead and pay close attention, 186 was a pretty decent entry point, and then 10 cents below that, touched it again, ran up, came back close to it, and took off. Never saw it again. So if you put a stop loss within any of these entry points of 5 to 10%, it may have not even triggered, and you don't have to worry about the stock falling. If not, all you got to worry about is watching it go up, guys. So if that's something that interests you, you can join us over at the Discord. The link is down below in the description. But 30+%, this was certainly a home run for the day. So what ticker symbol to add to your watch list, guys? So this one's a little bit more on the speculative side, and you really want to do your research before adding this one to your watch list, and it's senseonics, guys. I go ahead and talk about this one almost every single day or every other day. I do a chart analysis on it, those of you that follow the channel. But this stock is running on the anticipation of FDA approval. Large orders have been happening, right? Big institutional investors have been loading up. And I've talked about this one way back when it was at $3, even as it's going down, going up. This is more of a long-term play, but if you want to go ahead and ride it through the momentum, right? Buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing, you may want to watch this because it's been hitting newer highs, newer lows, newer highs, newer lows, newer highs, newer lows, and now running up again. Now, could this run fade? Possibly. So this is on the speculative side, guys. This is a stock that you want to do some research and understand. You shouldn't be putting more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio in speculative stocks like this one. And penny stocks, like I always say, we don't hold them, we trade them. But this one has a little bit more going for it, even though it's a penny stock, and it's the catalyst coming forward. Now, it has been running since it hit the lows of 170. It's already up like 40 cents. So the upside room based off the history of the chart is there, but you need to understand the stock first before even making any decisions. So this is one to add to your watch list. Don't act upon it too quickly. Do your research, understand the stock, and then as an investor, make your own rational decisions on why this stock is one you want to watch and probably start taking a position into, right? I'm not here to suggest to you guys to buy, sell, or hold any positions. This is not financial advice, but I am here to enlighten you guys. So definitely add this to your watch list. And even if you don't play it in any position, just watch it and learn from its behavior, because this is a penny stock that can show you the momentum that buying the rumor, selling the news does, and also how powerful, this FDA approval or news for senseonics could be. So more than anything, this could be a learning experience. So it all depends on your expertise, how equipped you are, and how much research you've done or know about this stock, as well as a trader, how much experience you have. If you've been in the trading, stock market for less than a year, then, if you don't feel comfortable, that's fine. Just watch it and learn from it. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.